In today's video, we're going to break down one of the most important traffic rules every driver must understand: right-of-way at a four-way stop sign. Knowing this rule helps prevent confusion, reduces accidents, and keeps traffic moving smoothly. Let's start with the basics. Rule 1. Pedestrians always have the right-of-way. At any four-way stop, pedestrians always have priority. If someone is crossing, all vehicles must wait, no exceptions. Rule 2. The first car to the intersection proceeds first. In our first example, 3 vehicles approach the intersection one after another. The white car arrives first. The yellow car arrives second. The red car arrives last. At a four-way stop, arrival order matters, not the direction the cars are traveling. This rule applies to every situation we'll discuss. Since the white car stopped first, it has the right-of-way and proceeds through the intersection. The yellow and red cars must wait until the white car fully clears the intersection. Next, the yellow car goes because it arrived before the red car. The red car, being last, must yield to both vehicles before moving. Rule 3. If 2 cars arrive at the same time, yield to the car on the right. Now, let's look at a different situation. 2 cars reach the intersection at the exact same time. When this happens, the driver on the left yields to the driver on the right. In this case, the yellow car is on the right, so it has the right-of-way. The white car waits and proceeds only after the yellow car clears the intersection. Rule 4. If 3 cars arrive together, the car that is furthest to the right proceeds first. What if 3 vehicles stop at the same time? The rule here is simple. The vehicle furthest to the right has priority. In this scenario, the yellow car is on the right of the red car, and the white car is on the right of the yellow car. The white car, being furthest right, goes first. The yellow car is next to the right of the red car, so it goes second. The red car, positioned furthest left, must wait for both vehicles before proceeding. As you can see, four-way stop rules are actually very straightforward once you understand the order. Just remember, pedestrians always have the right-of-way. The first car to the intersection proceeds first. If 2 cars arrive at the same time, yield to the car on the right. If 3 cars arrive together, the car that is furthest to the right proceeds first. Stay patient, stay alert, and be courteous whenever you approach a four-way stop. Now let me ask you, have you ever been in a situation where 4 cars arrived at the intersection at the same time? Share your experience in the comments below.